As told in the previous video, how to fix Windows drive installation errors, and sorry for making 2 video parts on this topic. The video would have been very long, so it had to be made in 2 parts. Before proceeding with the video, I would like to tell you that this video will be a little long. So be patient and keep following each step. So friends, let's move on to use Windows troubleshooters. Type settings in the Start menu search bar and select the best match. Select Update Security and then choose Troubleshoot on the left-hand side. Click the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter on the right-hand side. If the option of Hardware and Devices is showing in your Windows, then troubleshoot this option. Otherwise, do as I told you. 4. Press the Run the Troubleshooter button and follow the on-screen steps. If the issue persists, then try using the System Maintenance Troubleshooter. Here are the steps you need to follow. Type msdd.xeid maintenance diagnostic in the Windows search bar and press Enter. This should open the System Maintenance Troubleshooter. You can see that I am getting an error on my system. This means that there is no driver installation problem in my system. If this error is not showing, then next, click the Advanced option and then check the Apply Repairs Automatically box. Click the Next button to continue and then follow the on-screen steps. If the problem is not solved even after this step, fully scan your C drive. Let us know how to do a full scan of your PC. This scan can take approximately 2 hours, so please keep waiting. A full scan may take over an hour. Keep working while it scans your device completely. First of all, go to Windows Settings and select Update and Security. In Update and Security, click on Windows Security on the right-hand side. Click Virus Threat Protection on the right-hand side. Select Scan Options and pick the Full Scan option. From there, press the Scan Now button and follow the on-screen instructions. I told you earlier that the complete scan takes more than an hour. Keep working until it completely scans your device. If I made a video, it would have taken 2 hours to make a long video, that's why I cancelled it. Let the entire PC be scanned. And do as mentioned in this video. Restart the PC after the complete scan 100%. After the computer restarts, Windows fixes its C drive. As you can see on the screen, Windows is fixing the C drive. Let this happen and do not turn off the computer. Even after this, the problems are not being solved, so follow the next step. In the next step, we will use CHKDSK command tools. Type CMD in the Windows Start menu search bar, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type CHKDSK command and the following command. Choose the partition drive you want to scan. I have first chosen C drive, as you can see. If you also want to scan C drive through this command, then you can do it. If not, then leave it and move on. If you have chosen C drive for scanning, then after restarting the PC, Windows will fix your entire drive as you have seen in the previous step. Choose another partition drive you want to scan. For example, I have chosen an E drive. You must have seen that in CMD it is showing the estimated time of 2 hours, so wait until the entire E drive is scanned. After the scan is done, restart the system. If even after this you are facing driver installation problems, then go to the next step. In the next step, install the latest Windows updates. See my PC Windows Update page. If the message of error encountered is showing, then there is no need to worry. As you can see, Windows 10 version 22H2 is installed on my PC. That is why the error message is showing. Because this is the final version of Microsoft Windows 10. If the error message is not showing, then download and install all the latest Windows updates. After Windows is updated, restart the PC. Even after this, if the problems are not solved, then go to the final step. Please note that resetting your device might be risky unless you follow the correct steps. so it's always best to back up your Windows device first before resetting it. Here's how you can reset your Windows device. Type Settings in the Start menu search bar and open Setting. Select Update Security and then select the Recovery option. Next, click the Get Started button below the Reset this PC option. Follow the on-screen instructions and then wait for the process to complete. Now, here comes the exciting part, the climax. I'm going to share with you a crucial tip or solution that can fix the driver installation issue effectively. Get ready for that eureka moment as we unravel this key insight together. In summary, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember to always keep your drivers updated for optimal system performance. By following the troubleshooting steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to resolving any driver installation challenges that crop up. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends who might be facing similar driver installation woes, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'd love to hear about your own driver installation experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.